These are some techniques that big YouTubers use to get millions of views. Use this in your videos. And at the end I have a special bonus tip. If YouTubers don't implement that tip, then it causes them to get less views and it stops them from going viral. Okay, let's get into this. Okay, let's just say that we have a channel that is about off-road cars. And we're going to gather some title ideas. Okay, let's just get this one and just save them into a notepad. Okay, let's go to a car channel. Turbo Nation, let's see this channel. Let's go to their most popular videos. Okay, off-road of most famous car brands in the world. Let's get that one as well. Don't forget to sort by popular because that gives you the best videos that this channel has. Alright, let's keep going. Okay, not this one. I need off-road. Control F in Chrome. Let's find that. This is not an off-road channel. Let's go to our off-road channel. 20 craziest off-road vehicles that everyone would want to ride. Yeah, I would want to click on that, definitely. Toyota Land Rover versus Range Rover off-road race. Yep. Okay, we're getting there. We just need 6 more. 15 best off-road vehicles in the world. There you go. Oh, that channel was cool. Let's go back to that. What was that one? Alpha 1 Cars. Let's see if this channel has any off-road cars. Oh, no, it doesn't. Top 10 longest SUV. What? Nah, I don't want that one. I want a different one. Let's go back again. Okay, let's get more off-road stuff. These guys are really putting the cars through it. They're actually comparing them, seeing how they do in off-road. Why would you do that to that lovely car? Oh my gosh. Alright, let's keep going. Okay, here we go. Bounty Hole Mardi Gras Mudfest 2019 Creekside Off-Road Ranch. Okay, so let's get this one. It's like a Mudfest or something. Some kind of challenge. Some kind of contest in the mud. What? Oh, monster trucks. Okay, that is a separate niche. I don't want monster trucks. I want off-road. No RC cars as well. Here we go. This thing is crazy. A crazy truck. Okay, let's get this title as well. Yes, this channel is amazing. This is what I needed. Awesome ATV. Real off-road fun. Redala Off-Road Vaga Vessi 2024. Okay, whatever. Let's get that. Put that here. Okay, let me just get a couple more and I'm done. 4x4, that's a good keyword. Formula off-road hill climbing. If your channel is about off-road cars, then these titles here are what you need to gather. You have to pick a specific area in YouTube. You can't just be cars. You have to be a specific kind of cars. You have to be off-road, or you have to be Ferrari, or you have to be Lamborghini, or you have to be hypercar, or concept car, or just like a specific part of cars. Once you specialize in one area in YouTube, it allows people that are interested in that topic to come to your channel and subscribe and watch all of your videos. You will get a more loyal audience that way. This is a pro tip. This is what I've seen a lot of medium-sized YouTubers do. Not the really big ones, the medium-sized ones, and they actually sell their own products on there. Even though they don't have a lot of subscribers, they might even have like just 200,000, which is still a lot, but still, it's not millions. And they still make more money than the YouTubers that have millions of subscribers because they are more focused. Right now, we are focused on off-road cars as an example. Let's see where this goes. Okay, let's get these titles. I don't know if there's 10. Copy that into ChatGPT. Okay, we're going to tell ChatGPT to generate 50 ideas for video titles that are 45 to 60 characters long. Anything longer than that, then it starts getting cut off when people see it. So they see ... But we're going to use these titles as examples to generate 50 ideas that are actually good, that people want to click on, that are emotionally engaging, that make them curious, that make them feel some kind of emotion like fear or curiosity or desire. That is what we're going to use. We're going to use AI. We're going to use ChatGPT to get some more ideas, to brainstorm. Okay, so generate 50 ideas that are 45 to 60 characters long using these examples. They are emotionally engaging, targeted at the viewer who is interested in off-road cars. Curiosity, fear or desire. for the last. Generate 50 ideas that are 45 to 60 characters long using these examples. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. Here we go, it's doing it. Okay, let me just scroll up a bit. 15 off-road monsters you must see to believe. Wow. World's toughest off-road machines tested. Oh, that's good. You're actually testing the machines. Insane off-road cars that defy gravity. What? That's like jumps and stuff. Why this SUV rules the off-road world. 20 mind-blowing off-road rides that you'll crave. Yeah, see, some of these are really good. Okay, so we have to get some of these, and we're gonna create another list. Can this $5,000? No, that's not even that much money, man. $5,000 off-road build, survive mud. 5,000. Yeah, that's okay. Let's just leave it. It's like a budget build, but we can see if it's surviving. Yeah, that's actually good. That actually got me. I actually saw that. What? I don't like that one. Off-road battle. Jeep Wrangler versus Toyota Tacoma. What's a Toyota Tacoma? Is that an off-road vehicle? Oh, it is. Okay, yeah, you can use that. Jeep Wrangler versus off-road versus Toyota Tacoma. Okay, let's get that. Battles between different cars. The most extreme off-road adventures of 2025. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna collect some of these. No, these off-road trucks make regular cars look weak. Yes, that is amazing. I like that one. Yes, that one is amazing. This is what happens when you push your 4x4 too hard. Oh my gosh. The best. Yeah, that's good as well. If you're selling tires on your channel, that's good. Extreme 8x8 trucks that redefine off-roading. How about let's do that you won't believe. Okay, you don't have to have an exclamation mark on every single one. Oh my gosh. 10 off-road adventures from... No, that's not that good. Yeah, that's another one as well. Land Cruiser versus Bronco. What's a Bronco, man? Ford Bronco. Oh yeah, I know this car. Yeah, it's an off-road car. That's good. Can use that. Okay, let's use that one. Okay, so I got some more as well. Out of the 50, I got some, and I'm gonna ask it to improve these even more. That's what we're gonna do. So after we get these, we're gonna choose some of them, and I'll make videos for them. If I was an off-road car YouTuber, you can do this for your niche as well, for your kind of videos. If you are a business channel, or if you are a finance channel, or if you are a tech channel, it doesn't matter. You can use AI to brainstorm and come up with ideas. So what we did was we combined what already is working on YouTube, videos that have a lot of views, like over 100,000 in the last year, and the channel has over 10,000 subscribers, and the video has a lot of comments. So basically that is what we did. We got those ideas and we put it into AI so we can brainstorm and get even better ideas. And then from there we just collect some of them and make videos about them. Okay, so now we have a huge list. These ones, we're going to cut down some of them. Gonna get rid of that. No, get rid of that. So we're going to just use some of them. Like say these three. So let's just say these four. We're going to make videos about them. Another tip that I have learned from YouTube that I want to share is on the beginning of your title. That is when you should put whatever is the most important part. Like say for example this one. If we put Mardi Gras, Mudfest at the beginning, then it wouldn't really make sense. People wouldn't even know what the video is about. They might think it's just any Mardi Gras video. They might just think it's any Mardi Gras Mudfest video, but the video is actually about Truck Bounty Haul. So this is what the video is about, but this is the general topic. So you put this at the beginning. So it's supposed to be like this. You put this at the start, like that. One of these. Okay. So you put whatever makes sense first at the start, because this is what people read first. Then they read this part. And you have to make the title short. Make it under 60 characters. Make it like 45. Actually, let me get rid of this. Okay, actually, let me get rid of this part. So now it's 45. Don't make it above 60, because then you see ... and then people can't see what the title is about. Titles should be simple and easy to understand and short, because people, when they see your title, they have to read it quickly and then they have to click on the video. You have to have a good image as well. You have to have a good thumbnail, but I'm talking about the title. The title has to be simple. You want a lot of people to click on it, right? A lot of people, it has to be simple. It has to be something that they can understand. Something that they can understand quickly within like a few seconds. They read it, boom, they click on it. If they see it and they think, oh, what is this about? What is that? They think, oh, they click on another video. You lose the view. So to get the view, you have to make it simple. Like say for example, this one is complicated, man. This 5K truck built for mud outperformed 50K rigs. Okay, that is a bit long. Okay, let's just say that this 5K truck outperformed big rigs. Actually, outperformed is quite a complicated word, so let's just say beat and write that in capitals. See, that's better. See, simple, right? Very simple. How long is that? 31. You can make it a bit longer, but this is enough. It's very simple. Like, let me go to MrBeast's channel. All of his titles are short. Look at all of his titles. Look, latest. Okay, so look at this one. I helped 2,000 people walk again. How long is that? Let's check how long it is. You just paste it into Notepad and you can see how long it is. You can see the column. You put it at the end and you can see the column. That's 33. Okay, what about this one? 2,000 people fight for $5 million. 34. See, they're all short. They are all very short titles. And what else do you notice from his videos? They are easy to understand. It doesn't matter what grade you're in. It doesn't matter how good your English is. Even if you have basic English, you can understand what this video is about. 7 days exploring an underground city. 7 days exploring an underground city. It's very simple. Exploring, underground, these are all simple words. World's deadliest obstacle course. That's very simple. It's actually just, that one is very short actually. That's 4 words. World's deadliest obstacle course. Like, everyone knows what that means. It means that it's going to be something deadly. Oh yeah, that's another thing that he does. The videos have to be extreme. You make them extreme. That's another important part. It's not just a deadly obstacle course. It's the world's deadliest obstacle course. If he wrote, I did an obstacle course, that would be so boring. No one would click on that. And what else do you notice? It looks like he's about to fall. Whenever someone is like about to do something in the video, you kind of like want to know what's going to happen next when you see that in the thumbnail. It's like some kind of danger. If you have an off-road car channel, what can you do? You can do cars that are jumping in the air and they're like stuck in the air, and the picture is of the car in mid-air, or if they're about to land, or if they're about to hit something, or if they're about to go on the jump. Basically, you want to know what's going to happen next, and that's what MrBeast did right here. Another YouTuber that I can show you is called Mark Rober, who is also big. He was on 55 million subscribers last time I checked, but he reached 62 now. Okay, let's see his videos. Are they simple? Are they short? Are they simple? Are they short? Yes, they are. Testing the world's smartest crow. How long is that one? Paste it into Notepad. 34. That's very short. And it's very simple as well. Testing the world's smartest crow. He didn't say, I am experimenting with working with the world's most intelligent crow. No, he didn't say that. He said, testing the world's smartest crow. That's very simple. My new satellite can take your selfie from space. Lasers versus lightning. Which is more powerful? His ones kind of like trigger curiosity. They make you want to click. And they are a bit extreme as well. I mean, how can you take a selfie from space? What the hell is that? I mean, who's got a satellite? This guy's got a satellite. This is absolutely nuts. That is what you need to do on YouTube. You need to be extreme, you need to be simple, all of that, all of those tips. Make sure you apply them to your channel. I am also applying them to my channel as well. And I hope this session is helping you out. This is Maha from 2Puzzle here. Let's make it to the top together. Grind, not stop. No pain, no gain. You failed to plan, you plan to fail. Subscribe to this channel if this video is helping you out so far. If you want to grow your YouTube channel, I make videos on how to grow your channels, how to get more views, subscribers, wealth, and more. Follow me on my journey as I learn more about YouTube and I apply it to my own small channel, and I'm improving every day and I'm sharing it all with you. I am documenting the journey right here. Comment down below if these tips are actually helping you out. If you have noticed big YouTubers using these steps, using simple, very, very emotionally engaging titles that are short, comment down below. I read all of the comments. Okay, let's carry on with the video. Okay, another thing that you can do is go to Thumbs Up TV and you can put your title in here. Okay, let me get the titles that I got from AI. No, not that one. Let's get this one and put it in here. And for the image, I don't really have an image though. Oh my days, let me get an image, man. Ford Bronco. Wait, what was it called again? Toyota Tacoma, no, Jeep Wrangler. Let me get Jeep Wrangler. Oh no, forget that. Okay, so you go in here and you put your title here, and then you put your image here. Oh my days, come on, just work, man. Okay, so I'll put the image there. It's just a CSGO image. Okay, but basically what you can do is you can see what your video is going to look like right here. So here is a tip. You put it on this Thumbs Up TV website, and then what you do is you look away, and then you look back, and you think, oh, can I click on this? If you don't want to click on it, then that means the video is not something that people will want to click on. You can test it with someone that is interested in the video. You can show them the title and thumbnail, let them know, I'm testing this video, what do you think about it? And if they want to click on it, then it's a good video. If they want to just impulsively just click on it, then it's good, it's going to go viral. But if people don't want to click on it, and if they're wondering like, is this video even good on it, and they don't click on it and it's not exciting, then the video will not get a high click-through rate. It won't get high clicks, so that means you won't get a lot of views. That's another tip. You look away, then you look at it and you think, oh, should I click on this? Oh, should I click on this? It's like a little test that you can do. Okay, I hope that has helped you. This is how you use AI to brainstorm and get more ideas. I hope this video has helped you out so far. If you want to learn how to actually make money on YouTube after you get views, then check out this video that I have made for you that documents another YouTuber that got $207,000 per month from his YouTube channel. Check out that video right here.